In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sum your values with conditions here in Google Sheets. So if you're trying to get the total of your values, but you also want to apply some conditions to them, here's how you're going to do it. So with this video, we're going to be using the SUMIF and the SUMIFs functions. Let's start with the SUMIF. So for SUMIF, we can only apply one condition. So let's try it with this example right here. I have this data set or this table, and what I want to do is to get the total sales of the northern region only. So we are going to total the sales right here, but with the condition that it only belongs to the northern region. So we have a total of 3 sales from the northern region, and that's what we're going to total using the SUMIF function. Let's get started with our formula. So start with your equal sign, type in SUMIF, or select it right here. So here is our syntax. We have the range, the criterion, and the sum range. So for the range, this is the range of our criteria. So that would be my region column right here, which I'm going to select. There you have it, comma. Then our criterion, so this will be in quotation marks. So open quotation marks. If this range or this region is equal to north, there we have it, then you will sum the range of the total sales right here. So we already have a preview of our total sales based on that condition. If we press enter, there we have it. We have a total sales of $1,900 or $1,900 based on that condition that it belongs to the northern region. There you have it. If we wanted to, let's say, get the southern region, I'm just going to copy that same formula, paste it right there, edit the formula, and instead of north, I'm just going to replace it with south. Press enter, and there we have it. So I'm just going to copy this quickly, then change the northern part into southern. And there you have it. That's how quick you can get your total based on one condition. Now, what if you have multiple conditions? Let's say 2. So I'm just going to quickly move this one right here to separate the SUMIF and the SUMIFs totals. So we have for this one, I will have 2 conditions that I will apply. So that is the southern total sales for laptops. So not only will we base our condition from the region, we're also going to base it on the type of product that has been sold from that region. So laptops from the southern region, let's get our total. And this time we're going to be using the SUMIFs function. So start your equal sign right here, type in SUMIFs or select it right here. And here is our syntax. So for this syntax, it's a bit different, but basically we have our sum range. So the range that we want to sum would be the total sales right here. There you go, comma. Then our first criteria range. So where is that criteria located, which column? And that's going to be, again, from our region column. Then the next one would be the actual criteria. So it's the same as the SUMIF. We're going to put this in quotation marks if that region is equal to south. There you go. Closing quotations, comma. Our second criteria range would be our product column right here, comma. Again, in quotations, this is our second criteria already. Again, our first one would be if the region is equal to southern region, and the second one would be if the product is equal to laptop. In quotations, closing parentheses, press enter, and here we have our total. So we have a total of $900 total sales based on those 2 conditions that we've applied on our formula. And there you have it. So that's how easy you can sum your values with conditions using the SUMIF and SUMIFs functions here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should check out. Thank you for watching this quick video. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.